guys. Show you guys a little walk around through the big build. We're gonna test it out today on John Bull. Okay, so what we got over here is Raceline beadlocks, 42-inch treps. Okay, we custom made our own long arm for the rear to make the Dynatrac 80 work. Coilovers, front and rear. We are the first one to put in coilovers all around on the Gladiator. Okay, let me show you through the front.
How old is he?
Yeah. Accutune hooked us up big with their coilover setup. Give them a big shout out. Okay, fully adjustable. You got the Dynatrac front 60, ARB lockers. You got the Genright front bumper, Warren winch, 12,000S. Of course, we got the factory 55 going on. Can't forget about Baja Designs up here, XL80s. And one of my favorite mods on this rig. And big shout out to the boys at sPOD. Can't go wrong. Everybody needs an sPOD. Alright, and guys, biggest and most, cannot forget the RockSlide engineers. Without them, kids ain't getting up. You got a rock crawler and a family car all in one. Big shout out to JE Reel with their badass Driveline. Okay, they made it happen for us in 2 days. Stay tuned for a lot more to come. Atlas, Hemi, maybe a Hellcat, maybe a Red Eye. We'll see what's next.